Inamin ni Sharon Cuneta ang tunay na dahilan kung bakit naudlot ang ikalawasanan nilang concert ng kanyang ex-husband na si Gabby Concepcion. May title sanang itong P.S. I Love You. Ang ikalawa nilang concert kasunod ng kanilang successful reunion na Dear Heart last October 2023. Say nga ng megastar sa TV Patrol, quote, apparently negotiation didn't go through. But let's just say hindi siya natuloy not because of us, unquote. Nangihinayang daw siya sa mga fans dahil mas better daw sana ang ikalawang concert nila sa nauna. Say pa nga ni megastar, quote, I was so excited and ready to do it. Sayang, because I made so many of our fans happy and I wanted to continue making them happy. So, I guess that's it. Not my fault, unquote.